Hello and welcome to Butler.Head.Quarters.
And today we're not going to do the normal how-to video. We're going to do a review on ECPs, European Car Parts, budget radiator for the E46 model. So if you're interested,
Stick around.
Just
a bit of backstory on this. We have got an E46, you see it in the back of a video sometimes, don't you? And it needed a radiator. The radiator decided to go the last shopping trip of the year.
Yes, it did indeed.
Being around the Christmas season, we didn't want to spend loads on it, so we thought it would be an opportunity to try out the budget radiator for the car and report back to you.
So on Boxing Day, we went onto the ECP site and we thought, which one shall we get? And this one stuck out. Being honestly, it stuck out because it was the cheapest one. So we thought, shall we go for it? And we jointly thought, yeah, we'll buy it and we can show people what do you get from buying European car part cheapest E46 radiator.
Now, just to get the facts and figures out here, it cost roughly £45.
Yeah,
I think it was all in all. That was delivered the next day about, what was here for like 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I was shocked.
It was really, it was really quick. It was £45 with the Boxing Day discount. As we know, anybody who inhabits ECP website, I'm always throwing out savings and coupons, summer days, MOT days, your wife's on holiday days and all that. We've got loads of codes, I'm always on there, so if you go there frequently, you'll always grab yourself a code and you get yourself a radiator.
Yeah. So basically it turned up on the day that they said it'd come, and the first thing to greet us on the box, which I was surprised because, to be fair, I imagined it would say made in Taiwan or somewhere like that, but no, it's made in Germany. EIS
Germany.
And you see, when it's made in Germany with a quality control sticker,
Which only one?
Yeah, which sadly has gone missing because Elsie, my granddaughter, liked the look of it, so she took it off. But assure me, it did have a quality assured sticker on it. Yeah, so you might be now wondering, what do you get from European car parts, cheapest budget radiator? And you might be thinking, well, it's all good saying that it's been made in Germany, but what's it like?
What's inside the box?
What's inside the box? So we're going to unveil what you get in
the box.
The box, yes.
Box. So I'm going to open the box. Oh, it's dumped it in here again. Elsie's dumped the quality ground sticker in here. Look, see.
Yeah.
EIS German.
And normally you find if a firm is proud
of their
itself,
product,
it's sort of.
If a puppies, I mean, come on, that's got to be worth 50. Well, you know, so when you do it on a scale, everyone's got one.
Yeah. So we're going to lift her up, turn around, and
that is.
Yeah.
That is. Oh.
Yeah.
Is
how is it a bung for the yeah. So yeah.
So I'm looking at it, and I've tried looking in. The protein is back, not about on top. And as you expect, it's just a radiator, but it looks a really good one, though.
It does.
The plastics look thick,
but you never know until it's fitted, do you? So what we're going to do?
I'm going to put this into a playlist and I'm going to just leave it on the page, and in the future, if you're watching this video in a year's time, you can watch after this one, and if there's more videos, you know what's happened to it, any updates and all that.
That's it. So what we'll be doing is a working review to see how well ECP's budget radiator holds up to daily use.
Yeah. How long does it last? Just to protect, we live in England, so we have harsh winters, don't we? And we do have some nice summer. I know it's a bit of a fancy, we always rain, but we do have some. So we have got a nice climate of different weather conditions.
That's it.
The car will be pretty much driven daily while we shops and all that. So you're going to get a good indication in the future of what the radiator is about.
That's it. And the end result will be, did we make the right decision or didn't we?
And like I said, after a certain point, the radiator is free, really.
Yes.
If it's outlasted sort of a year and a half, 2 years, it's done a good job, because like I said, 45 quid, delivered to the door, the driver was jolly, knocked at the door, left it there, away with him, and I took it in. No hassle. There was an email before it come, and it was great.
That's it. So, well done, ECP then.
Yeah, on that one.
Yeah, well done.
And we did have it out of the box earlier today, just to check it on the car, and it's the right one for the car.
It is, yes.
Which you sort of you have to do.
Yeah.
Anyway, thanks for watching,
and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year as well. It's New Year just today. It's just started.
It is the first, yes. So a Happy New Year.
And thanks for watching. If it's helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you had some.
And also, if you've had one of these radiators before in a different car,
let us know.
Let us know below your experiences.
Well, let us know what you mean for. Because I know on these review videos we do, there's a lot of people who with a lot of knowledge of these parts and call them good. And normally, the community in the comment section are sort of very bit wrong.
A good debate.
Yeah,
it is a good debate. So we're going to cut now, and we'll leave you with Happy New Year.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.